Hello everyone, whether you're a brand new creator or an existing channel trying to get your products or creativity discovered, you might be trying to use YouTube promotions, but they aren't serving, and you're looking at your screen like, why nothing is happening? No panic. I'll show you exactly what I did to fix it. Here, what usually happens, your YouTube promo says active. Looks perfect, but your views stay at 0. No delivery, no impressions, nothing moves. This isn't a glitch. This is a freeze, a trust-based block. YouTube never explains. Today I'm going to show you why it happens, what triggers it, and how to unlock your promotions again. All right, let's start with the core of the problem, because when your promo doesn't move, it's almost always one of these issues. And I honestly don't know why more people don't talk about them. And YouTube? Well, there's no real support to guide you. Listen to this carefully. 1. Your account doesn't look trusted. New account, no MFA. VPN on, weird login history. YouTube gets nervous and quietly reduces your reach. 2. Your payment method looks unstable. Prepaid cards, low balance, a failed transaction. Google flags you instantly. You'll see active, but nothing will ever deliver. 3. Your location looks inconsistent. London today, Spain tomorrow, the moon next week. New channels cannot afford this. The system gets confused. 4. You posted sensitive content too early. Political, identity-based, controversial topics. It goes into review. Review equals delay. Delay equals no delivery. 5. Your identity signals don't match. Billing country not equal account country not equal device location. YouTube slows everything until you verify who you are. Now, here's the annoying part. YouTube never tells you any of this. Nothing. Your promo will sit there saying active, but impressions stay frozen at 0. No warnings, no explanations, no support. So you're left thinking your content is bad. It's not. You're just frozen. So the question is, how do we actually see what's happening? Simple. We diagnose the issue through Google Ads, not for growth, just for transparency, because Google Ads will tell you the truth. Eligible, not serving, payment issue, limited, under review. Now here's the solution. Let's switch to Google Ads. Click this plus Start a new campaign. Choose Create without a goals guidance, then select Video. And now, this part is important, don't tick or select anything extra. Give your campaign a simple name. Set a very small daily budget and make sure you untick both. In-feed ads, shorts ads. We only want standard skippable ads for this test. No targeting, no interests. Don't add keywords. In location, I've chosen these countries, but if you want just views, you can choose global. Everything else, leave everything completely open. And please, when you paste your video link, make sure it's the full youtube.com/watchquestionv equals ... link, not the shortened youtube.b version. The short link can break detection and give you inconsistent results. For the headlines and the description, be creative. Ask GPT, ask any AI, or come up with something that fits your style. Just don't overthink it. Keep it simple, keep it clear. And now just follow the steps I'm showing here. That's it. No tricks, no settings, no optimizations, just a clean, minimal campaign. Voila! Thank you for watching and hope to see you soon.